come on. This place is so cool. Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So, spring's here. We're finally starting our spring cleanings, spring openings, and getting these ponds ready. It's that time of year to start thinking about your fish. And what's the one thing we all love to do this time of year? It's feeding them. Giving them that food so they come up to you so you can interact with them and have fun with them. However, there's a really, really important thing that you should know. There's definitely a right time to start feeding your fish and certainly a wrong time. Fish feeding totally hinges on your water temperature. Your water temperature is going to determine when the right time to start feeding your fish is. And the magic number is 55 degrees. You want to make sure your water temperature is a steady 55 degrees before you start feeding your fish. Otherwise, your fish can have some serious complications. So make sure you have that thermometer, you're checking your water temperature, and make sure it stays at 55 or at least above. And even if it is 55, 56, 57, only feed your fish about once a day until that water temperature is around 70. Once it's at 70, it's game on. Feed your fish, have fun, enjoy them for the rest of the spring, the entire summer, and into the fall. So that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond. You get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link below that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, and you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Happy spring, everyone. It's gonna get warmer. I know it is. Have fun with your ponds, your waterfalls, your fountains, and have a great week.